guys, we're at Sheepy's right now. We stopped to get something to eat. We're gonna go fish at the spawn. Ryan Money referred to us, and I'm tired.
I'm tired too.
You tired, Matt?
Matt fell asleep at
6. You know I'm wide awake.
Matt fell asleep at 6 yesterday, so he has
6:30 in the morning.
Golly. He has a lot of
It's
sleep.
8:34 right now. Bro, I told you I was gonna do camera all day.
Alright, bro. He said that about.
Alright, guys, so what just happened?
Well, guy kicked us off because they're too rich out here, I guess.
We got kicked off.
I mean, all of them have BMWs, and I just got a Hyundai.
Well, time to go to another pond.
Alright.
That pisses me off. Gosh. First cast, it's just now recording.
Okay. First cast.
Little
A small
dink.
fish, little dink, but you know, we're at the new pond, by the way, because we got kicked off the last one. But, I mean, I guess that's a good sign, catch the first one, even though he's tiny. But that was on the black and blue Berkeley power worm. So, let's see if we can get back to this.
Wish I didn't freaking burn this first cast. You were? Is Annie still sitting in the car? What if I do it for stage? Just jump on the lid.
That'd be awesome.
I don't want to pull it anymore because it might break the line.
Yeah, grab that stick. Okay. Now you're talking. Now, falls. All right.
You're welcome.
Alright, so we just dropped Andy off at work, and we're gonna go try this other pond that we haven't fished in a while. Like, I haven't fished in years, so we're gonna go see what happens over there. When Andy gets off work, we're gonna go pick him up and I guess head to another pond. It just started raining, but it's not bad, so we're just gonna deal with this sprinkling. Alright, so we just got to the second pond. It's like over here somewhere. But we got to the second pond. We also have 2 more other ponds over here that we're gonna fish. So we're gonna just take time at each one. Hopefully we catch some bass, and we'll keep you updated, so stay tuned. Got him.
Pretty decent size?
It's pretty good. Recording on that one. First fish at the new pond. It's probably about 1.5 right there. Black and blue power bait right there, blue flag. It's a good fish. Nah, I'm with. Bro, there's a bird stuck right here. Come on.
Bird stuck? Saving a bird. Is it alive?
Yeah, he's alive. He's moving.
Oh.
Bird, did you get your GoPro on?
Yeah.
Chill out.
Ooh, it's trying to bite me. Okay, why do you want me to do all this?
Because I'm scared.
You're scared?
Scared of a bird, okay?
Why are you scared?
Why are you screaming?
It's a bird!
You're a bird. bird.
Ah, Jesus. If I could just grab it. Stop being scared. It's more scared of you than it's scared of us. Or than you're scared of it. We have a bird. He's starting to get brave and peeing me off. I'm gonna need you to get a pole like we did. That was smart. Grab a pole. I know it's gonna be mean. You gotta put it over his head so he doesn't bite me.
Bro, I can't put it over his head. That's
No. Why'd you grab the crankbait one? Save the bird. Alright. Okay, the bird's neck is out. Y'all wanna come help us? They're probably not scared like you are. Are y'all scared of a bird? So you'll hold it. I don't know what kind of bird it is. If you could tell us what bird. Ruben's scared. My name's Matthew. His name's Ruben. He's scared of this bird, and we're trying to save it. We found it over there while we were fishing.
Where is it?
It's right here. And I need to cut off this string. It's stuck in string, so I need someone to hold it while I cut it off so it don't bite me.
But it's like trying to bite us. Like it's actually trying to bite.
You want me to get some gloves?
Yeah, that's fine. That'd actually be better. A glove, so if it does bite you, it won't bite you.
Riley.
What's y'all's name?
No, like,
I'm right.
that's not
Riley and Evan. Helping us save the day because we got a poon who won't touch a bird.
I'm scared of birds.
You want to try this?
It's gonna scream. Just hold it down. There we go. It's money. That is money. The key to success right now. Let's go. Keep holding it down. It's trying to bite me. Hold his neck. Pretty sure it's unfree. I don't know where it went. I think he's in our car, bro. I have no idea where he's at. This is underneath the car. See right next to the tire?
Yeah.
Jesus. Oh my God. Just grab it. You got him? It's wing. Oh, it can fly. We're good.
A little crooked, but he's alright.
He'll just have to readjust it. Oh, look, a bird went to it. What's about to happen right now? Well, we saved your little guy.
Like a reaction bait, anything that's white.
Okay.
And can't go wrong with a wacky rig.
I got one.
Oh, I got my video going on. Hold on, Andy. We just caught a fish.
Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Hey, get it going. Tell them my things are dying.
Yeah.
Money. Wow. Well, we just got one. Yeah. Oh no, we're not there yet.
All right.
There you go.
We're at this other pond. All right. Well, we'll call you.
All right, so we just spotted this giant carp, and Matt's gonna try to grab him. Holy cow!
Dude, I don't know if I can grab him.
Bro.
Andy, get in the water with me. I'll grab the tail. We're gonna flip him up. Bro, just do it.
This Matt, why didn't you grab him? What if he comes up and grabs Matty?
You gotta get like right underneath it.
Alright, you ready? I'm gonna like hold it with me, and then right when I go, ready? 1, 2.
You gotta
Come on. Bro, you're grabbing both sides.
Wait, I'm the one holding it.
One.
You're holding it.
2, 3.
Oh shit! You were scared, bro.